Hello everyone, welcome to Mama Lisa's kitchen again. Tonight I'm going to be making Jamaican jerk chicken. This is the seasoning I use. It's Walker's jerk seasoning, hot and spicy. I use about 3 tablespoons, which I have prepared here. It's already in the bowl because I also add more spice. I got some red chili flakes and some salt, and I'll add that into the mix. It's gonna be really, really spicy. You could always use a little less. And then just mix it all in. And then I'm gonna start brushing it onto the chicken. First, I'll brush some on the bottom side of the chicken. Get those juices flowing, mix it all up. And then pour it in. We're gonna cook it on 375 for an hour and a half. I'm gonna place it in the oven now, and I will be back as soon as it's done. Okay, we're back and the chicken is all done. You take some of that extra sauce and put it all over it. And please, if you like my recipes, like and subscribe and leave a comment below. Now for a little taste test. Let's cut a little piece out. It's so juicy, look at it. Nice, tender. Get it up in there. That's what all the flavor is, but it don't want to come up. I'll take some of the juice, give it a little taste test. Ooh, it is delicious. Thank you for joining my channel. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment below.